Hey y'all, hey, it's me again, Fallon Chalet, coming at y'all with a Valentine's Day look. I like to call it Valentine's Day personally, but if you would like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so we're just going to jump right on in here. As you can see, I've already did one of my eyes, so now I'm just going to start out by priming my other eye with my NYX primer base to prevent creasing of the eyeshadow. Alright y'all, now I'm just going to be using this Juvia's Place palette, the Saharan 2. When I tell y'all this palette is thebomb.com, please believe it. The color payoff is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to be using this color Fees. And I'm just going to put this as my transition color. And I'm using a fluffy brush, so I'm just going to use windshield wiper motion to blend this out. Alright y'all, so the next color I'm going to be grabbing out of this palette is Aziza. It's a gold color. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my mobile lid. I'm just going to pack this on until it gets to the intensity that I like. Alright y'all, so after we've done that, I'm using my BH Cosmetics palette in Cool. I'm going to go in with this bright purple color. After all, it is Valentine's Day, so I don't want to smoke it out with a black or a real dark color, so I'm going to keep it light. I'm just going to blend that in with the gold color along with the transition color in my outer corner. Now I'm just going back in with my fluffier brush and I'm blending all three colors together to prevent any lines of demarcation, because we do not need that in our lives, y'all. We're going to blend, I can't even talk today. We're going to blend all three colors in together, y'all. Now I'm just concealing up under my eyes before I put on my foundation with the LA Girl Concealer in Toffee. And let me tell y'all, concealer is your best friend. This is another way to clean up that eyeshadow line, to get that precise line as opposed to using tape. Concealer will do the trick also. So now I'm going to blend all this concealer out using my beauty blender. Y'all already know how I feel about this thing. Like, I use this thing for everything. But blend, blend, blend. Blending is your friend. Alright y'all, now it is time for the foundation. And I'm applying this again with my beauty blender and I'm pressing it into my skin as opposed to wiping it on. In my opinion, when you press in your foundation, whether it be liquid or powder, it doesn't have you looking so cake-ish. Cake. Ain't nobody got time for that. So now I am going to set my foundation using my pressed powder in NYX in the color Tawny. And again, I'm just pressing that into my face rather than going in circular motions to make sure it's really setting into the skin. So now I'm just gonna go and add a little warmth into my face and do a little light contour in the Turks and Caicos palette by e.l.f. Again, I'm going for like a soft look, so I'm not gonna really deeply contour. So that's why I'm not using a cream contour, I'm just using a powder. So ladies, you really want to blend out this contour because the last thing you want to do is to walk around looking tribal. So please make sure you blend out your contour. Don't just leave it in a straight line. Insert the motions. Now I'm just going to highlight the highest point of my cheekbones. A little sample highlighter I picked up by Becca in the color Opal. I actually like it. I think I'm going to buy the actual real size of it. Also off camera, I have applied my lashes and my liner. These lashes are 3D mink lashes by a company called Miss Lashes. I believe the number is M311. Now it is time for the blush. This is a color by NYX called Wonderlust, like a peachy color with a little shimmer to it. Alright, now y'all, it is time for the lips. I am lining my lips with a lip pencil by MAC in the color Vino. Now I'm just gonna go in with this color by NYX called Transylvania. It's a real deep purple color and it has a matte finish. Alright. This is the final look. Let me fluff out these curls. If you like what you saw, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, y'all. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Peace.